Hey everyone, cybersecurity is super important, so I checked out 5 big names: CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, Cisco, and Checkpoint. Let's break them down and see who's best for what. CrowdStrike. They're awesome at protecting devices like laptops and phones. Their cloud-based Falcon platform uses AI to spot and stop threats fast. Great for businesses with lots of remote workers. Palo Alto Networks. These guys do it all: firewalls, cloud security, and more. Their AI-driven tools catch threats early. Perfect for big companies needing total protection. Fortinet, known for fast firewalls and network security. Their FortiGate system is easy to use and budget friendly, ideal for small to medium businesses. Cisco, they mix network and security so your data is safe as it moves. Their HyperShield AI tool is next level, best for companies with huge networks. Checkpoint, firewalls are their thing, with sandblast stopping sneaky attacks. They're reliable for network and cloud security, great for businesses wanting proven solutions. Now the comparison. Best for remote work, CrowdStrike. Their device protection shines for spread out teams. Best for big businesses, Palo Alto Networks. They cover everything, so large companies stay safe. Best for small budgets, Fortinet. Affordable and strong for small businesses. Best for network heavy setups, Cisco. Their network security combo is unmatched. Best for reliability, Checkpoint. Decades of firewall expertise make them a safe bet. So who's worth it? It depends. Pick CrowdStrike for remote teams, Palo Alto for big operations, Fortinet for tight budgets, Cisco for networks, or Checkpoint for trusted protection. Let me know your thoughts below. Stay safe online. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.